bright ideas for tomorrow's fashion, a coat with a digital display, an illuminated ball gown, or LED lights woven into fabric. At Berlin Fashion Week, events like the exhibition IT-Couture and the lecture series Fashion Tech have been bringing together technology and fashion.
It's opening up whole new opportunities for fashion and how it's made. Fashion can do and express more, as you can see from the interactive clothes. It's like science fiction. One day, I imagine I'll be able to change the color of my dress to fit my mood.
For the past 4 years, Berlin textile designer Veronika Aumann has been working to make ideas like that reality. She's designed a coat that can function as a screen. Aumann has been collaborating with Germany's prestigious Fraunhofer Institute. The challenge is to ensure the fabric meets the demands of technology and fashion.
The vision is that it should feel like a t-shirt, really light and comfortable to touch. That I can fold it and wad it up in a corner, and yet the resolution matches a Retina smartphone display.
But it'll take about 10 years to achieve that vision. Aumann uses ordinary fabric to create the foundation the Fraunhofer Institute can build on. One requirement, the fabric has to be sufficiently translucent. The conductors will be woven into the fabric later. For now, there are just rudimentary prototypes.
I would like to integrate the technology in the fabric and enable the creation of a new material.
British designer Hussein Chalayan has been working at this cutting edge of fashion since the 1990s. His clothes can change shape. Since 2004, the British label Cube Circuit has been designing dresses featuring up to 24,000 LEDs, but they're mainly just for show. Things are a bit more down to earth at the Berlin label IT-Couture. Designer Lisa Lang has just presented her first ready-to-wear collection.
We love technology, we love fashion, and we want to make it part of everyday life, something you can wear every day.
Berlin blogger Kiki Albrecht writes The Random Noise. She's been observing the fusion of technology and fashion for years.
I do believe that technology can help to simplify our lives. It always plays an important role. But in fashion, it has to bow to aesthetic concerns.
High-tech fashion is also making an appearance on the runway at Berlin Fashion Week. At Kilian Kerner's show, models are wearing jewellery made with a 3D printer. They're the work of Berlin jewellery designers from Void Studio. With 3D printing, you can create forms that would be almost impossible to achieve with conventional means.
I think that they're the perfect accompaniment to classical things, as a contrast to break it up. And it was really lovely that they could pick up on my textures in another way and put the icing on the cake.
Above all, technology in fashion is mainly intended to serve a purpose. This jacket can give an attacker an electric shock. And this one can send out an emergency signal. Veronika Aumann's Screenstoff is intended to act as an interactive screen, but the manufacture of this prototype still runs some 20,000 euros, and it's not even washable yet.
A big hurdle is making the design suitable for everyday use. The semiconductors make that very difficult. If you machine wash the fabric at 60 degrees, you wreck them. That's why it's very important to see how practical you can make an interactive t-shirt of this kind and how much people are prepared to pay for it.
Who knows? Maybe one day you'll not only be able to read the words Euromaxx on this coat, you'll be able to watch the entire show on it.